Imagine a factory that never sleeps, where millions of apples are transformed into a stunning range of products every single day. From crisp slices to smooth applesauce, rich apple juice, tangy cider, and fine apple flour, every part of this everyday fruit is put to good use. Welcome back to Next Harvest Network. Hit that subscribe button if you love seeing how agricultural innovations change the world. Today we're going inside one of the most advanced apple processing factories. You'll see every stage of the process, from orchard to packaging, and discover the machines and people who make it all happen. Let's jump in. Every morning, trucks loaded with freshly harvested apples roll up to the factory gates. Skilled workers quickly sort the apples by size, color, and ripeness. Only the perfect apples move on to processing, while those with small blemishes are set aside for other uses. First up is the washing station. Thousands of apples pass through huge water baths to remove dust and leaves before moving onto conveyor belts that guide them deeper into the factory. Next come the peelers and slicers, machines that core each apple, strip off the skin, and slice them into uniform pieces. The crisp slices are then checked by cameras and workers for consistency before heading into different product lines. Some slices are sent directly to dehydration chambers to make crunchy, dried apple chips, a healthy snack beloved by people all over the world. Others are crushed and pressed into smooth apple puree that will become applesauce, a lunchbox favorite for kids and a tasty baking ingredient. The applesauce is gently heated and filtered to remove any pulp before it's filled into glass jars or pouches. Another major product here is apple juice and cider. Whole apples are ground into a pulp and loaded into powerful hydraulic presses that squeeze every last drop of juice. The juice is filtered, pasteurized, and packaged into bottles, cartons, or kegs, ready to quench the thirst of millions. But that's not all. Even the leftover pulp and seeds, known as pomace, are put to work. The pulp is dried and milled into apple flour, a gluten-free alternative packed with fiber that bakers and food companies can't get enough of. Seeds and skins left over after pressing are sent for further processing into natural pectin, a gelling agent used in jams and jellies. Every batch of apples is tested for sweetness and acid levels before packaging to ensure top quality. Sensors throughout the factory check temperature, moisture, and purity at every stage. The entire process is closely monitored by a control room, where operators make real-time adjustments to maintain the highest standards. Sustainability is central to the operation, too. Water from the washing process is filtered and recycled. Even the apple cores and peels left over after processing can be composted or turned into biofuel that powers the factory, reducing waste and creating a true zero-waste cycle. Farmers supplying apples get fair prices because every part of the fruit becomes a product. Nothing is wasted, and customers across the globe enjoy delicious, natural apple products, all thanks to this smart blend of technology and tradition. If you enjoyed this inside look at apple processing and want to see more farm-to-factory tours, give this video a like and subscribe to Next Harvest Network. Tell us in the comments which crop or food you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.